How you doing? Guess what? I got a little treat for all you Halo lovers. Yeah. I'm a Halo fan, I can tell you. I wasn't really big into the universe until I bought Halo 2, the limited edition one. That's my favorite game of all. So yeah, you can check out my favorite Xbox games, and I uploaded it in a page. So here is my custom Halo 2 battle rifle. As you can tell, it doesn't have the stunner because it would look like more of a sniper rifle, and I tried to keep it basic. So yeah. Other than that, it's got pretty cool looks. Let's see, just get a good look. Yeah, you can get another barrel out of that if you buy the Nerf Raider. Which, yeah. The scope I got out of a tactical scope pack, which cost like about 10 bucks. The clip comes with the Nerf long shot, and the long shot itself costs 40 bucks. So we're paying about 50, 60, pretty much 80 bucks. But if you can get a good deal at a yard sale for just maybe a PVC barrel you can get, it'd be good. It goes very farther than the original long shot combined. This is a modified. I call it my Vanguard Princess. And basically, if you want to attach a long shot barrel or any other Nerf barrel, you tape the back of it around with clear tape. That should help. Then just stick it in there. It should fit in there snug and tight. Just cock it back. It does work. It makes a lot of boom. It's modified. A little bit dusty. Just needs to be painted. It's a really cool gun. I like it. Very useful for during the Nerf war. Yeah. One more thing. Sorry, my nose is stuffed up. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for a sneeze. Please, Lord, make me sneeze so I can go on with the video. Of course, I got an itch. It ain't happening. I guess that's why people think I'm scary. Now, this, I took in the barrel out of that, the barrel out of the Raider to make it used for the long shot. This one still works, you just can't fire it upwards or downwards. It can shoot out perfectly parallel. It's got a sight, it reminds me of the Halo SMG. It's got a clip on it. Very fun, useful gun. Just carry it like that. Then when you're ready, just pull it out. The spring sometimes pops out sometimes because it's stretched. Got a pistol grip, long shot scope. Very useful. I'm not a good sniper, but I'm a good full-on assault guy. It's pretty useful. Just don't rapid fire it too much, because then I have the tendency for the spring to pop out. And it's pretty useful. Hold a darn second. Is it really 11:10? Once again, we're going back to Toshiba. Let's see. So I have to press the what's it called, the power button. Let's see my password. Resuming Windows. Resuming Windows. Da 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 da. Password. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Blah. Whoops, let me restart that. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Blah, blah. Here we go. Yeah, damn. It's 11 o'clock already. Whoa. That time does fly. Well, it was 9 o'clock once, now it's 11 o'clock. Shoot. So, yeah, I'll be seeing you guys later. Ta-ta.